Hey gamers, so it's almost Christmas and we all know that Christmas is the most exploitable way to get some money. So I am going to teach you on how to make the best low budget Christmas movie of all time. So anyway, let's just jump into it. So now if you want to find a good actor for your low budget Christmas movie, I recommend just finding a B-list actor that you like, or a voice actor from a movie, TV show, or video game that you like. Or maybe you could just find a random guy on the street that has some pretty good acting capabilities. Anyway, now for the next chapter. Talk about the equipment that you can use for your low budget Christmas movie. Now, I would recommend using the Lumix ZS100 4K digital camera to use as your camera for your Now for the editing apps that you can use to make your low budget Christmas movie. If you have a Mac, I would recommend using iMovie. It's free and it's easy to use. Now, if you use Windows, I would recommend using Windows Movie Maker. It's free and it's also easy to use. Now you could also use DaVinci Resolve. It's free but it's pretty intermediate. So yeah, to learn to use it. So yeah, fun to learn it. OpenShot, it's also free and it's also pretty intermediate if you want to learn. Now, you could also use Lightworks. It's free, but it's pretty advanced, so yeah. Now, after you finish making this low-budget Christmas movie of yours, you have to ask yourself, will this be popular? Yeah, for like 2 days or 1 week. Now, will it make tons of money? Probably, yeah. Now, will it get good ratings? Probably not. But will it make me at least $1 million? Yes. And that concludes our video on how you can make a low budget Christmas movie. Anyway, that's about it. See ya.